Hey, what's up guys? It's Aaron with 2 Minute Tech, where I bring you all the tips, tricks, news, reviews, and how-tos fast. And today, I'm going to bring you a quick 2-minute tip on batch processing videos for YouTube. As you've probably noticed by now, it's day 5 for Veda or Veda, which means vlog every day April. So I've been trying to release video content to you guys every single day for the month of April. Now, when I first began my YouTube channel, my main goal was to actually produce 12 videos for the entire year. I really didn't want to overwork or overstress or put too much pressure on myself when it came to producing content since I was new to YouTube, but obviously I instantly fell in love. This is actually my 13th video now. Yesterday's video for the microphone shootout would have been number 12, so I already completed my allotment for the year. Woo! As you know, the YouTube algorithm would really prefer that you produce content on a regular basis, and some people do weekly, some people do daily, some people do maybe 3 videos every week. But for me, Veda produced an opportunity for me to see what could I do in producing content on a daily basis. One of the things that's getting me there in terms of being able to actually produce this level of content is batch processing videos. I was actually listening to the Tubetalk podcast with Nick Nimmin a couple days ago, where he interviewed Jessica Stansberry, going over her workload as far as batch processing videos. Basically, she was producing 12 videos per month, 3 videos a week, but she would record all of those, especially the A-roll, in one day at the beginning of the month, and then stagger releases as the month went on. Obviously, this is a really good opportunity to attempt that for Veda. So for me, the process that I've been using is I'm trying to create a little bit of some Halo content around my channel right now. So you may have noticed a video series that I just wrapped up over travel chargers for USB-C devices. So I actually created 3 separate videos on 3 individual products, and then one video that kind of showcased how I utilize those in travel to create one playlist. So since I was going to be doing one big kind of review, it was nice to sit down and write all of the content for all of those videos at once, and then record some of that A-roll, some of that B-roll on separate days. So you kind of got a day for writing, a day for shooting A-roll, a day for shooting B-roll, and then a day for editing and producing and you know, eventually putting that content on YouTube. So Veda actually gives me the opportunity to kind of play around with different styles, like this one here, which is your more typical vlog style video, just me talking into the camera. It also gives me an opportunity to play around with batch processing and try to crank out a lot of videos around a central theme all at once. So let me know what you think. Have you ever played around with batch processing? Ever thought about doing it? Are you currently participating in Veda? I know Viper out there is hitting those videos every day for April, but let me know down in the comments below if you've ever considered batch processing, or if you are participating in Veda, hit me with a link to your channel. I'd love to check it out and see what kind of content you're putting out. Thanks a lot, guys.